A property manager in Fairfax, Virginia, was experiencing leaks, but only in specific areas of his metal roof. The budget for this year did not allow for a full roof coating, but he needed the leaks to stop now. Knowing that he will have the roof coated within the next 5 years, he sought out a solution that will not be detrimental to the future coating system. He had been warned that silicone patching makes it difficult to coat, even with most other silicones. A1 Roofing's Kangaroo owner, Maurice Harrison, recommended Ecodur due to its extreme adhesion to metal and other substrates. He further explained that additional coatings readily adhere even to aged Ecodur, and that Ecodur can be thickened to fill leaky gaps in the metal roof. After some research and discussions with the contractor, manufacturer, and building owner, the property manager decided that patching with Ecodur was the best solution. He gave a detailed description of the specific leak areas, and the team at Castagra aided A1 Roofing's Kangaroo in creating an action plan. To start, all application areas were thoroughly swept and blown clean. Ecodur was a great choice because pressure washing was not an option. One of the leaks is directly above some of the tenant's sensitive equipment. All existing coatings were scraped to check for adhesion, and if loose, were removed. Next, each of the leak-prone penetrations, including surrounding HVAC ducts, were thoroughly coated and checked for gaps. Using Ecodur thickened with crushed walnut shells, all gaps and cracks were filled. A brick parapet wall that seemed to absorb a lot of water and stay wet long after rain was coated next. Because Ecodur readily accepts all top coats, it can later be painted to match the others. Now the entire leaky gutter was coated, including into each drain and the overflow. With a seamless ecoplastic polymer coating, there is no path for water incursion. Finally, a thick pad of Ecodur was brushed on where a piece of dry cleaning equipment will be replaced on standing seam supports. The client was so delighted, he wrote A1 Roofing's Kangaroo a glowing review, including the lines, "I would highly recommend A1 Roofing's Kangaroo and Ecodur 201 to anyone with a flat and/or metal roof. Thanks for a great job. Well done."